What is up, everyone? This is Charles here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox error code 292 or low memory warning that you may be getting. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this on your mobile phone, for that one, it should be straightforward. Close out every other app that you have open and even delete certain apps that you may not be using, like let's just say COD or I don't know, RuneScape or something that's like intense, right? Like basically data intense. Delete those and only have Roblox on and try to play that and see if that goes away. Also logging out and logging back in as works as well. If you're getting this error on PC, the first thing you should do is just straight up log out of your account and then log back in. The second thing you need to do is basically restart your computer essentially and turn it back on. And then make sure no like additional processes are running. Let's say you have like Steam running in the background, Riot Client, Vanguard, all that other stuff is basically running. Turn it all off, right? Like Epic Games Launcher, turn everything off, exit out of it, like go to the task manager basically, and then like end all the tasks that I'm mentioning that are taking up like you can see like some crazy CPU memories like happening, right? Just turn it all off and then try to play the game. Once you do that, you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please thumbs up, get on the channel, make sure you subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Charles out. Peace.